this is Helena from Norwegian Travel Couple. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the DJI Avata 2. But before I start, I just wanted to say that if you do like to watch travel videos, you want some travel tips, or you simply just want some travel inspo, please check our channels. You can find us both on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So let's get started! First, you have to take off the plastic cover. Like this. And the first thing you see is the drone bag. I'm going to show you the bag and all the pockets later in the video, but right now I'm going to go through all the stuff in here first. We personally have bought a camera bag to have all our camera equipments in it, but if you just want to use this drone, this bag is pretty great. I'm going to lay it all out there and then I'm going to show you everything piece by piece. So when you've taken everything out of the camera bag, you should have 12 bags with different parts, and one of them are just the DJI stickers, which I'm going to take aside here. And I want to start with the drone first. So it looks like this. First I'm going to show you on the left side, under the propellers, you can see this little tab right here that you can open, and in here is the USB and the memory slot. So there's that, and you also have the battery in the back, and by pressing these two buttons on the same time and drag it out, you will get the battery out. To get it inside again, you just push it until it says click. And then you have the camera in front. There's also a protection in here, so to take this off you have to push both up and down here, in, and then drag out. And it's also a little plastic protection there you have to take off before flying. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It looks nice. Can't wait to try it. We will of course share a review as soon as we've been trying to fly it. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so then I'm going to show you the batteries. There's two batteries in this one, the charger hub, and there's one battery in the drone. So in total, 3 batteries for the Fly More combo. And yeah, they work the same way as the battery I already showed you. To check the battery status, you can click on this one. This one is empty right now, so they actually came empty. But yeah, you can check the status by clicking this button. And this charger is pretty powerful, so I'm definitely going to use that one. And we have 4 different spare propellers. These are pretty good to have in case you manage to crash the drone, or yeah, you need to change them for some reason. So let's have a look at the goggles. These are the DJI Goggles 3. So okay, so this is how it looks. And what's great about this one, for example, is that they have a wheel function here where you can tighten or loosen the goggles so they fit your head. That's perfect. Everybody has different shapes, so yeah, great. And in front here, yeah, it's pretty soft here, so it would probably feel good on the forehead. I haven't tried them yet, so we'll see about that later. When it comes to these 2 buttons over here, these are great because you can actually change the diopters in here to move them in or out so they actually fit your eyes. So that's awesome. And you have these 2 here in one of the packages that you can use if you, for example, have customized these when buying them. But I haven't, so I don't need these. And in front front here you can see the antennas can fold like this, and these two are cameras, actually real view cameras, so you can see how the landscape actually looks or whatever you're going to film. So you can see that without taking the goggles off. So yeah, that's the goggles. Over to the RC Motion 3 controller. It looks like this. It's pretty small and light, and it also comes with this wrist strap that you can attach to it. So to show you the buttons, this one is the accelerator, this is the gimbal wheel to change the gimbal, this one is record, this is emergency brake, flight mode change, and then the joystick to turn or change altitude. So yeah, that's that one. And then, last but not least, the different cables. A USB-C cable, some extra foam to attach to the goggles to have it extra comfortable. Yeah, this is the lenses I talked about earlier. And then at last you have the USB-C to USB-A adapter. And as promised, I'm going to go through the bag. And here's the camera bag, as promised. And there's actually quite a lot of pockets here, both big and small pockets. And you have this net here, which I think is pretty great because you can have like memory cards and stuff in it. Because of the zipper, it feels a little bit safer to use this pocket for things like that. And you have the side pockets here on both sides. And this is the straps fully extended. And yeah, you can change them as long as you want them to. You can have them shorter as well. Yeah, so that was all the parts. We also have an unboxing of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro if you want to watch that one. And if you want to watch other travel videos or camera gear videos like this, remember to subscribe to our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.